girls, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed and finessed this gorgeous unit that I got from this Amazon company called Cenhiee Hair. So the hair came in this cute little package right here. So this is their 20-inch 13 by 4 T-part ginger unit in the density of 150%, and this unit is a deep curly hair. So you guys, this unit is definitely out of my comfort zone, but I'm definitely feeling the color on this unit. This is a T-part unit, so it only has parting space from ear to ear, and in the middle portion it's not a lace frontal, it's a lace closure, but you can also go ahead and finesse your baby hairs as well. So you guys, this unit is super cute, and I'm definitely loving the color. I was scared at first, but this is actually melanin women of color beginner friendly wig, and this unit is under 200 US. So you guys, if you are interested to see how I installed and finessed this T-part ginger unit that I got from Cenhiee Hair, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the installation process. So the unit that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in collaboration with Cenhiee Wigs on Amazon. This is the cute little blue pouch that it came in. Inside of the bag, I received their 20-inch T-part ginger unit. So a bit about the cap construction of this wig. This hair is a 13 by 4 deep curly unit, and it has combs on each side of the wig, one in the middle, and it also has a comb to the back. And this wig also comes with removable elastic bands, so you can tighten your wig to your particular liking. So a bit about the parting space. It only has a small amount of lace to the front portion and to the middle, and I went ahead to bleach and pluck the hair a bit because it did come a bit dense. So I also went ahead to tint the root on this wig as well. So let's jump right into the installation process of this T-part ginger unit from Cenhiee Wigs. You guys, so this is the hair. I went ahead to wash it, and I also bleached the knots, and I actually tinted the lace a bit, and this is how the wig looks, you guys. So before I install this wig, I'm just going ahead to cut off the extra lace to the back portion, and then I'm going to cut off the hair came inside of the wig. Straps, like elastic to go inside. I'm gonna go in with my razor comb, and I'm just gonna cut out the straps because I wouldn't be using it, so I'm just gonna go and cut it out. So what I normally do, I tint my wig with my contour palette. This is my holy grail. So this is how it looks. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to cut off the extra lace around my ear tabs area, and then I'm going to cut down the lace to the front portion in 4 smaller sections before I go in to start to lay this unit. So to begin this install, the first thing I'm going to be doing is cleaning off the extra makeup to the front portion with my rubbing alcohol. And today the glue that I'm going to be using is my Kiss Almighty Bond lace glue, and I'm just using 2 layers of this glue today. And to blend out the glue evenly, I'm using the end of my razor comb, and I went in with 2 layers of the glue today. So now I'm just gonna blow dry that until it's tacky, and after the glue is tacky, I am going to start to pull the lace onto the glue. So I'm just going to position the top portion first before I go in to start to work on my sides to make sure that the hair to the front is lined up with the glue. And then I'm just going to push that in with my comb and my fingers, And then after I finish pushing everything into the glue, this is how the wig is looking. And if I have to go back in with a little bit more glue, I use the end of my rat tail comb just to put the glue to the front portion. So I'm just going to make sure everything is perfected to the front portion. So once I have everything perfected to my liking, I'm just taking my blow dryer just to set everything, and then I'm going in with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray just to set to the front before I go in to tie down my hair with my elastic band. What I like to do, I like to comb it out, because once you comb it out, it wouldn't be so like cruffy when you're ready to work on your baby hair. So I'm just going to melt the lace a bit. So I'm going to be leaving my elastic band on for about half an hour. The lace is melting, I like to use my Murray's Australian beeswax to lay my parting space. I love to use Murray's beeswax as a substitute when you don't want to use any sort of like wax stick. I normally use this to lay my hair. If I have black hair, I use the black one. If I have colored hair, I use the yellow one. So again, if you don't have a wax stick, this is a good substitute to have. So after I finish laying my hair with my Australian beeswax, I'm going in with my Iso Plus hairspray just to spray the top portion. It leaves your hair with that, you know, shiny glossy effect, which I love. So after I finish melting the lace, this is how the hair is looking, and I am satisfied with how the lace is melted, you guys. So I'm just going in with my razor comb just to cut off the extra lace to the front portion. I'm gonna be back and forth with my razor comb and my shears, you guys, to cut off the extra lace. And when I'm using my shears, what I like to do, I like to cut in a jagged motion so that the hair could have a more realistic look to the front instead of just looking like it's going straight across. So I cut in sections and I cut in a jagged motion. So after I finish cutting off the extra lace, I'm just gonna set the front again with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray. And then I'm going in with my blow dryer just to set everything in place. So now I'm going in with my Black Opal foundation in Ebony Brown just to blend the lace with my skin complexion a bit. And then I'm going in to tie back down my hair so the lace can melt a little bit more. And in the meanwhile, I'm just going to define the curls on this wig. So to dab my hair, I'm going to be taking my water and my VO5. So I'm just damping my hair with my water mixed with my VO5 conditioner, and after that I'm going in with my Shea Miracle Bouncy Curl Pudding just to define the curls a little bit more. So I'm just gonna start to work on finessing my baby hairs. So I'm just gonna be parting out a minimalistic amount of baby hairs to the front portion. So I'm just gonna work on finessing my baby hairs to my liking. I'm going in with my razor comb just to cut down the hair a bit, and over that with my shears. And then today, to lay my baby hairs, I'm going to be using one of my holy grail when it comes to laying my baby hair and my edges is my Got To Be Spiked Glued in the black bottle. Sometimes when I don't use this, a good substitute to use is the Gorilla Snot Gel in Punk. It gives your baby hairs a perfect hold. So I'm just working on that, and then I'm going back in with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray, and then I'm just blow drying that. So now I'm just gonna work on my sideburns. So I'm just gonna continue to perfect my edges until I have everything the way I want them to go. So once I finish finessing my edges, this is how they're looking, and it's definitely giving. So now I'm just going to work on my parting space. I'm just making sure that the hair is in the middle portion. I'm going in with my black Radiance True Contour palette, and I'm just using that to perfect the parting space a bit, and then I'm going over that with my ISO Plus hairspray and over that with my thermal hot comb, and then I'm just gonna set everything in place with my Got To Be Blast Free spray again, you guys. So this is the end result of my install of my ginger T-part curly unit that I got from Cenhiee Wigs, you guys. And I'm definitely feeling this ginger unit. It's definitely giving all the gives. So you guys, this is the end result of my install of my T-part unit that I got from Cenhiee Hair. This wig is an Amazon Prime wig, and the hair came in this cute little pouch right here, and this is their 13x4 T-part unit. So this is their orange human hair, ginger colored human hair wig, deep curly, and it's 150% density. So this unit retails for $156.89 on Amazon. It's below $200 and you can't go wrong with that. So you guys, I would highly recommend this unit. This unit is super gorgeous, and this is how it looks up close. It's super cute, you guys. It's definitely a must-have T-part unit. Like, the color is gorgeous, the curls on this unit is everything. Definitely 10 out of 10. I highly recommend this unit. The curls on this unit is just so you guys, beautiful. This concludes the installation process of this 13x4 T-part unit that I got from Cenhiee Hair. Again, my final review is that this unit is a must-have for less than $200, and the length is everything, the color is everything. Like, this unit is definitely a favorite of mine, especially with the color. And you know this color is super trendy, the ginger color orange hair. Thank you again for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and until next time, see you in my next video, and always remember to put God first in everything that you do, and see you in my next one. Stay safe and be blessed.